So today we are going to discuss about Google Shopping ads, which are very important, and for an e-commerce brand it's enormous. So for example, if we just search about shoes, now you can see how curated shopping ads listings are being displayed. A customer, if we search in Pakistan, normally we will just see the normal websites, and then we will go to each website to see and find out if something is might be relevant. But in the other markets, if you just search Google any product, like shoes, like bags, you will be displayed these creative listing ads from Google. For this, you have to set up merchant center, sync your store with the Shopify, optimize your feeds, and create supplemental feeds as well as collections, whichever you would like to based on your own strategy. So the product quality needs to be very high. You must have approved the customer reviews from the merchant center. And you see, this is from Nike. Like, if I'm looking for the shoes, I'm just searching for shoes. Now I can creatively look for any shoes right in front of my screen. The pricing, the customer feedback, the name, the brand. I'm just gonna click on this and it will take me to, if I want to buy, let's say I want to buy this pair, it will take me to the exact page where I can just choose to buy right now. Otherwise I had to manually look for the website, go through each pages. So that's it, right? So this is about Google Shopping ads, highly intent based campaigns, which should be a no miss for any e-commerce brand. Each and every brand had made their, what would I say, they have optimized their images, they have optimized their titles, they have optimized their listing overall. Even if you can switch and check out the colors, which is not an easy thing to set up right now, we can see it very easily, but in the merchant center, in the backend, it's not a rocket science. Once you get used to it, it becomes easy to set up, right? Just getting into the practice. So let's say, and why it's showing like Nike and Adidas and these type of brands like Next, because this system knows I like to wear the shoes of this brand only, even though I haven't searched these shoes before. But because I normally wear these shoes, and whenever I looking to buy, the system detects my voice note right when I'm searching, and it will show me the ads. And by the way, brands are also paying specific bids to be displayed at any place. So if your listing is highly optimized, relevant enough, you don't have to pay for any bids. This is ranking on the number one. There's a reason it's ranking on the number one side, right? And if you see, these are ads, and once you scroll down, you will see also another segment of the ads. For example, now you can see the discount code tags, lower price. You can be very creative with your shopping ads. So Google is actively doing the own point to show you the relevant products. It's all because you have the Google account in all the same. Let's say you have 10 devices. Google will pick insights from any of your device, and whenever you do the research, it's going to show you the relevant ads. Like bag, you see, it's showing. This is not coming because the preference for female bag, be regular normal ads like from random companies. And then these are some of the brands are over here as well. So if my preference had been, let's say, so I would say travel, and now it might detect something because I do like. I'm gonna see if it has pulled up any relevant search for me. Yes, this one. So basically it's giving me the preferences. For example, like airbag. So this brand is a very top level brand in the UK market, but it's not running any shopping ads in the US market. Otherwise I would have been displayed the ads, but the images are being displayed. So this shows this brand is also, otherwise they already have millions and millions of customers in there on their social. Does it make sense?